Welcome to Salopes Kitchen, and today we'll be talking about spring rolls, different sizes available and foldings for your parties and get together. Hello, this is Chinedu Vincent, and I upload food problem solving recipes twice every week. Subscribe if that sounds interesting to you. And so, let's go to the video. Hello friends. To make this nice spring roll sauce for yourself or for your business, here is the gallery of your ingredients. This recipe is a simple one, but feel free to adjust the recipe to the choice of your vegetable. Kindly consult our description box for recipe full detail. And without further ado, excuse me cook. Transfer your oil into an already heated pot and allow to smoke. Stir fry half part of your onion while the other part will be reserved for later use. Until it caramelizes. Then add your cabbage and cover your pot to steam to about 15 seconds. Quickly stir fry to mix. Until it turns to little brown coloration. Add the combination of your scotch bonnet pepper and green beans. Also add your granulated dry pepper and combine. Spice up your sauce with your garlic and other related spices like your thyme, your chicken seasoning cubes, your curry powder, and mix spice flavor, and mix to combine. Incorporate the reserved onion at this point for intense flavor and continue cooking for a while. Yummy. Add your seasoning cube with one quick stir. And lastly, impute your carrots and mix to combine. Our sauce is ready. Please try not to add water to this sauce as much as you can. Also ensure that your heat is at medium-low for intense taste and flavor of your spring roll sauce. Please check our samosa video link in the description box below for the full tutorial of how these wrappers were made. Note that both samosa and spring roll share the same wrapper. And if you already know how we got these wrappers, then let's run the deal. Divide about 3 to 4 equally arranged wrappers into 2 equal parts and set aside. Add little water to the flour content of your plate to make a thick paste. This will serve as a gum during the wrapping process. Then brush each of the cuts with the thick paste and fill in your spring sauce to obtain your roll. Close up the two ends like so. Note that the size of your spring roll is up to you. You can equally decide to share each of the cuts into another two equal parts, fill in your sauce and roll. You will only obtain a smaller size of the spring. So you know what you want or what your customer wants, either big, medium or small size. You can decide to divide your wrapper into 2, 3 or 4 sizes. It's just up to you. Remember, if it's for business, you need to make some profit. And also, some customers usually like their spring roll small. So you know what you want and you know how you go about wrapping it. In this case, I only divided the wrapper into 3 equal parts. So you can divide wrapper into 4, into 2, into 3, depending on what you want. But the more you divide it, the more spring roll you get. But as for me, generally, I prefer the medium size, that is to divide the wrapper into 3. Then set your oil at medium-high heat and deep fry the roll. I love my spring roll at golden brown coloration. Can you feel the crunchiness of this lovely, nice spring roll? Hey, and the taste. Big thanks for watching. Please subscribe.